how to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Snapchat and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Swipe up and it will redirect you to this page. Now over here you need to slide to the left and you'll find the option of My Eyes Only. At the bottom right corner, tap on Options and then tap on Change Passcode. First of all, enter the previous passcode that you have set. Once you have entered, now create a new passcode for your Snapchat My Eyes Only. Re-enter the passcode that you have just set. You need to tap on this checkbox and then click on Continue. And there you go, your passcode has been successfully changed without losing anything. So that's it, and this was a tutorial today on how to reset Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing everything. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.